Yes, very good evening, students. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching this video. Now, today I am going to start the next part of the topic that is called qualitative and quantitative analysis of organic chemistry. See, understood before studying this topic. What is the major portion? If you will know IUPAC name, if you will study IUPAC, then you will study isomerism, then you will study GOC, and then you will study qualitative and quantitative analysis. Quantitative analysis. After studying this all four topic, if you will see and open your module of MTG, over here written some basic principle and techniques. Before that written organic chemistry, some basic principle and techniques, means these all topic contain inside organic chemistry some basic principle and topic, and with this all studying this topic in JEE Mains, you will get 2 questions. From combining all these 4 topic, you will get 2. Sometime, if you are lucky, then sometime you will get 3 questions. Understood what I am trying to say? It means qualitative and quantitative analysis is important part. So isomerism is going on, GOC is going on. Now today I will dictate you qualitative and quantitative analysis. After that I will complete isomerism also, GOC also, don't worry. And then we will complete 2 to 3 questions of JEE Mains. Now, understood what do you mean by qualitative and quantitative analysis? Suppose I will give you one container, and in that container I will tell you, means what I am trying to say, not take container. Suppose whenever the discovery of organic compound happened, at the time of discovery of organic compound we didn't know. Suppose I will get one organic compound. Suppose this is a organic compound OC. If someone is asking me, tell me this organic compound containing hydrogen or not, this organic compound containing carbon or not, this organic compound containing nitrogen or not, this organic compound containing phosphorus or not, like that they are asking what are the things that organic compound contain. It means these things presence, their presence is there or not, it is present in that organic compound or not. This we will study in qualitative analysis. And what is the amount of this? Suppose hydrogen is present, nitrogen is present, phosphorus is present, carbon is present. So what is the amount? 5 gram, 10 gram, 20 gram, which number, what is the gram or 5 mole, 3 mole, what is the amount of this substance is present in that organic chemistry? That we will study in quantitative analysis. It means organic compound is given. In that organic compound we have to find out if this is present in this organic compound or not. That we will study in qualitative analysis. If it is present, so what is the mass or what is the moles, what is the amount of that compound, that we will have to study in quantitative analysis. The meaning of the topic, I hope you understood what I am trying to say. The first part of the topic I am going to start, and the name of the topic is called qualitative analysis. It means we are going to judge if this compound is present or not inside it. Topic meaning understood? Yes sir, understood. So now first we are going to see the topic, and the name of the topic is called qualitative analysis. Qualitative analysis of organic compound. Yani first we are going to check if this element is present or not. And for the qualitative analysis, first scientist has given his method. That scientist name is Liebig's method. Liebig's method, and they have given the test of carbon and hydrogen. Means for learning this short trick I am making HCl. Means H means hydrogen, C means carbon, and L means Liebig test. Sometime they will ask you the question कि tell me कि Liebig test is defined for तो carbon and hydrogen. It means Liebig is a scientist who came and say कि suppose I have one organic compound. अब now he will tell me कि that organic compound contain hydrogen or not, and that organic compound contain carbon or not, and then we will judge it what is the mass of this. Means first we will judge कि carbon and hydrogen is present in any organic compound or not, and we are judging carbon and hydrogen is present in that compound. That scientist who has discovered this method to find carbon and hydrogen is present on the organic compound is not or not, that scientist name is Liebig, and so we will call it as Liebig method. What they have said na कि take any organic compound. Understood the point very properly and clearly. He said take any organic compound. And if this video will go more than 1 hour, don't get panic. I will try this whole in one topic. He said take one organic compound and try to react that organic compound with CuO. CuO means copper oxide. If you will react this compound with copper oxide, it may be that will give either carbon dioxide, or it may be that will give either water. So how you will check कि the gas release is carbon dioxide and the liquid coming is water? What you have to do? First, you have to take slacked lime, CaOH whole twice. What you will do? Achha, I will write that as a theory also. Don't worry. What do you mean by that? Just see. If carbon is there, understanding na कि qualitative analysis means they are trying to dictate कि which of the following compound is present in the organic compound or not. First they have dictated कि does carbon and hydrogen is present in the organic compound or not, and that had been dictated by Liebig, so it is known as Liebig method. He said take one organic compound, react that organic compound with copper oxide. After reacting, either you will get carbon dioxide or you will get water. If carbon is there, so what you have to do? Taste the presence of carbon. We have to check yes, carbon is present or not. For checking carbon is present or not, what we have to do? While seeing the gas, you can't say na कि it is carbon dioxide or carbon only. First, what you will do? First, you will put burning candle. What will happen? If you will put burning candle in front of carbon dioxide, it vanishes. It means yes, carbon dioxide is present. Second, you will do in class 10th, you have studied that there is a slacked lime, CaOH whole twice. This is also known as lime water, or sometime it is also known as slacked lime, that will react with carbon dioxide. After reacting, it will give CaCO3. It is lime water. Lime water turns milky white. Lime water turns milky white. So if you will pass that gas, whatever with the gas coming, if you will pass that gas with lime water, and if the color of the lime water turns to milky white, what you will say? Yes, sir. That gas is carbon dioxide. It means that organic compound releasing carbon dioxide. It means that organic compound contain carbon. Test the presence of carbon is done by Liebig method. Another, someone is saying कि suppose you will take carbon dioxide in excess. What will happen? It will form plus water, atmospheric water. It will form CaHCO3 whole twice, and it is water soluble compound. It is water soluble compound, but this blue color is not important. First, we have taken after reacting organic compound with CuO, copper oxide, we are getting either one gas carbon or we are getting water. If we will pass that gas with slacked lime, it will give milky white color. We will say yes, that gas is carbon dioxide gas. Done. Bas, yes, done, done. No more extra things. Are sir, it is the very easy. Yes. Now, second part. If we will have to check कि hydrogen is present or not. So if hydrogen is there, so what we will to do? We have to do the test for presence of hydrogen. Now whenever we have to do the test for presence of hydrogen, what I will do? First, I will react CuSO4 plus water coming. I will over here water coming na. Water coming na. What I will do over here? I will take this water and put the CuSO4 inside it. 5 moles of water will come and it will form CuSO4 dot 5H2O. When you will put the copper sulfate inside that water, inside that liquid, they have first faded color. After getting into the liquid, it will become blue color, and it is also known as blue vitriol. They will change the color and that will become blue color. That's it. Done. Nothing is extra, sir. Done. So Liebig test done. Liebig test done for qualitative analysis. Now the Liebig is dictating only about carbon and hydrogen. Then second scientist came and his name is Lessegini, and only 2 scientists has done. And qualitative analysis is one of the smallest topic that we are studying. After that we will start quantitative in the same video. Next one is Lessegini test. What is Lessegini test? Now it has given for some compound, and for learning, my name is Prabhat. You know that for learning I have make one short tricks. What is the short trick? Prabhat sir has no X. Prabhat sir has no X. What do you mean by that, sir? It means Prabhat means phosphorus. Prabhat means phosphorus. Sir means sulfur. Has no meaning. No means nitrogen. Just to complete the sentence I have written has. And X means halogen. What are the halogen? Chlorine, bromine, iodine, like that. Understood the point? So Lessegini, see, directly I can write कि Lessegini has given the test for, it has given the test for phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine no. Fluorine is not there, so don't worry about it. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now, instead of writing this bakbas, I have given the short tricks. And what is the short trick? Prabhat sir has no X. Prabhat is starting with phosphorus. Sir sulfur has no meaning, no nitrogen, and X halogen, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Okay. Now, before going to check the presence of phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, and halogen by using the Lessegini test, first we have to write one important point. That important point is Lessegini test is not given by the compounds which does not have carbon atom. Sometime they will ask you the question. Example, sir. Best example. Hydrogen. Best example is hydrogen. What is the formula for hydrogen? NH2, NH2. Now nitrogen is present over here, but without carbon we are not able to do the test of nitrogen also. So this point you will remind it. Sometime they will directly ask कि now you have written no means nitrogen, NH2 will come, and they will ask the question which of the following will not give Lessegini test. So you will say nitrogen is there and we will take NH2. No, NH2 will not give, like that. Understood this point? Achha sir. Now, first we are going to test the nitrogen, then sulfur, then phosphorus, then halogen. Line by line I will go. The first I am going to do the test for nitrogen according to Lessegini. test for nitrogen. What I will do in the case of nitrogen test, see, always and always, whenever you will have to do the test of any compound, first you will make a sodium fusion extract. What do you mean by sodium fusion extract? Try to react each and every compound with sodium. Yani it means first prepare Lysogeny extract, or this is also Lysogeny extract or sodium fusion extract. Always try to make it sodium fusion extract or Lysogeny extract, because most of the compound is not soluble. It will not form ion. If it will not form ions, we are not able to do the test. So sodium fusion extract will make them soluble. This is the reason. Now what I will do, I will take carbon, I will take nitrogen, and I will take sodium also. Just now I have written कि carbon is very important for over here. In Lysogeny test I have written does not have carbon, will not give, which does not have carbon atom, not given. So I have taken carbon, nitrogen and Lysogeny, sodium fusion extract. What is the compound coming? NaCN coming. This NaCN will break as Na plus Cn minus. Now what I will do, I will react this Cn minus, some reactions you have to learn directly, with Fe2 plus. It will form FeCN whole 6 to the power 4 minus. After that you have to react it with Fe3 plus in presence of X mole of water. Once you will react with Fe3 plus in presence of X mole of water, it will form Fe4 FeCN whole 6, and over here whole thrice, and whatever with the moles of water will come as a water crystal. Now after this what we will have to see, we have to see that what is the color of this compound. So before knowing the color, you will have to understand one thing very very important, that if outside the bracket 2 plus and inside the square bracket 3 plus coming, it means they have a color of turn bulls blue. What is the color they have? Turnbull blue. If outside 3 plus and inside 2 plus coming, then they have a color of Prussian blue. Over here you will check, if you will break it, what you are getting? You are getting Fe3 plus FeCN whole 6 4 minus. What is the color it has? 3 plus. If you will find the oxidation number over here, X plus 6 into minus 1 is equals to minus 4. So X equals to minus 4 plus 6. X is equals to plus 2. And inside bracket iron has plus 2. So what is the color of this compound? Prussian blue. So what they will say, when I will make the sodium fusion extract for nitrogen, I will get cyanide as ion. That cyanide will react with Fe2 plus. It will form FeCN whole 6 4 minus, and that will again react with Fe3 plus in presence of XH2O. It will give a color of Prussian blue color. If Prussian blue color is coming, it means this is the test for nitrogen done. Test for nitrogen done. Now we are going to see the test for chlorine, bromine and iodine. Now next part of the topic is chlorine. See 1 to 2 times. Again I am saying, I will try to dictate you very properly, but try to see 2 to 3 times. Chlorine, bromine and iodine. And I will suggest you one thing, those who are watching my video, I know that lots of videos are there on the YouTube where you can study, but trust me, don't do that. Why? I'm not saying not to watch them. Why? Because I am always saying, you know my personal number, and this will help you to. I am not here to become superstar on YouTube. Trust me. already superstars are there. I am talking about those who are already my regular student. You will just contact me on this number if you have any doubt. You have to qualify JEE. You don't have to become smart, over smart. JEE qualify, automatically you will become smart. Now, what I will do, first again welcome back to the topic. So test for nitrogen done. Now test for halogen. What I will do, I will take halogen and I will make a sodium fusion extract. After matching sodium fusion extract, I will get NaX. This NaX is known as sodium fusion extract. Now again it will break as Na plus X minus. It may be that this X minus will be Cl minus, this X minus will be Br minus, this X minus will be I minus, anything will be there. Now I am going to do the test for Cl minus, Br minus and I minus. What I will do, I will take X minus and I will react that X minus with AgNO3. After reacting this, it will give AgX, that is a precipitate, plus NaNO3. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Sir, not understood. Means suppose I will take Cl minus and reacting with AgNO3. So what it will give? AgCl as a white color precipitate. Which color precipitate? White color. It means first I have make sodium fusion extract, Cl minus react with AgNO3, it is giving white color precipitate. If Br minus will react, it will give AgBr as a precipitate. These are same, and this precipitate has a color pale yellow color. It means if pale yellow color coming after reacting with AgNO3, I will say this is Br minus. If white color coming, I will say it is Cl minus. If dark yellow color will come, I will say it is iodine minus. So taste of chlorine, bromine and iodine will be dun 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 dun. Understood the point? So this is all about the presence of or taste of halogens. Now we will do the next part of the topic, that is taste for sulfur. It means I have written Prabhat sir has no X. Prabhat sir has no X. In that we have done for nitrogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine done. Now we will do phosphorus and sulfur, and qualitative analysis will be completed. That's it. Now we are going to do the test for sulfur, and then after that test for phosphorus, then after that qualitative analysis done. Then we will go to see the next part of the topic, and the name of the topic is called quantitative analysis. Now test for sulfur. Again what I will do, again I will take sulfur in presence of sodium and I will make Na2S. This is our sodium fusion extract. This sodium fusion extract will give over here Na plus S2 minus. What I will take? I will take over here S2 minus and I will try to react that S2 minus with Pb2 plus. It will give, what it will give? PbS. And what is the color of PbS? Black color. So after reacting with lead, if it will give a black color, then I will say yes, 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 that compound is sulfur, and taste of sulfur done. One more way to do the S2 minus test. What is the another way? What you will do? You will take sodium nitroprusside. What you will take? Sodium nitroprusside. Sodium nitroprusside has a formula Na2FeC, a very important formula, you have to learn it, CN5NO. This is the formula for sodium nitroprusside. What you will do? You will react that S2 minus with sodium nitroprusside, Na2FeCN whole 5NO. Nothing to do you have. What you will do? Na2 will become Na4. Na2 will become Na4, remaining as it is FeCN whole 5. NO is there and sulfur will come NOS, and the color of this compound is purple or violet color. Purple or violet color. It means either sulfur will react with lead, give black color, sulfur presence, or sulfur will react with nitrogen, sodium nitropuroside, and it will give purple color. It is also showed the presence of sulfur. Another method to check the presence of sulfur only. What you will do? You will take sulfur. Sulfur leave, sulfur done, sorry. Now we will sulfur done. Presence of nitrogen done, chlorine, bromine, iodine done, and sulfur done. Now sometime they will tell you to find if sulfur, carbon, nitrogen all are present in one compound. If all are present in one compound, then how you will check their presence? The first rule is that first make sodium fusion extract, and sodium plus sulfur plus carbon plus nitrogen, it will give NaSCN. If you will break it, you will get Na plus SCN minus. After getting SCN minus, you will react that SCN minus with Fe3 plus. What you will get? You will get FeSCN bracket close 2 plus, or you will get this. Both are same, but some book writing that, some book writing that. JEE also asking in different ways, and they have a color of blood red color. What is the color? Blood red color. So if I have to check the presence of sulfur, carbon and nitrogen, I will first make sodium fusion extract, and that sodium fusion extract react with Fe3 plus and giving blood red color. It means that will contain sulfur, carbon and nitrogen. Their test also done. Sir, please, requesting is that see it very properly. One time not coming, try to see 2 times. If in the both situation not coming, try to message me and tell me. I will try to dictate in another way, but some reactions you have to know, and not that much big, sir. Simple. It is not boring. First, what you have done, Liebig test. Organic compound react with copper oxide, carbon dioxide coming, water coming. Carbon dioxide react with lime water, give milky white. Water will react with CuSO4, giving blue color. That's done. Lysogeny test. Prabhat sir has no X. First, without carbon, NH2 will not do lysogeny test. First, you have to make sodium fusion extract for nitrogen, NaCN. Cn minus will give Persian blue color. Chlorine, AgCl will give white precipitate, pale yellow and dark yellow color. That is for this. Sulfur, either black color of sulfur will come, lead oxide, or purple or white will come, or blood red color will come. Their formula also you have to learn. So this is all about the preparation, all about the test for sulfur. Last test, then qualitative analysis will be completed. Then we will start quantitative analysis. But we will start quantitative analysis. I am thinking that time is running out, 30 minutes. Okay. Test for phosphorus. What we will do in this test? We will take Na2O2 reacting with phosphorus. It is known as sodium peroxide. When you will react with this, it will give PO4 3 minus. Then react it with HNO3. After reacting, it will give H3PO4. Then what you have to take? You have to take another compound. Their name is ammonium molybdate. Their formula is NH4 molybdenum O4 MO, and this is oxygen. This is the formula for ammonium molybdate. What you will do? First you have got H3PO4, you will take H3PO4, then you have to react with ammonium molybdate, NH3 whole thrice, NH4 whole thrice, MoO4 plus HNO3 nitric acid. After reacting all this compound together, you will get NH4 whole thrice, PO4, 3 and 4 coming what? 12. The 12 MoO4, and the color of this compound is canary yellow color, and the name of this compound is ammonium phosphomolybdate. And this is all about the completion of qualitative analysis. Now, I will continue this total video in one shot. If you have to see it up to this, you will see up to this and try to understand 2 to 3 times. Now I am going to start quantitative analysis. लेकिन I am thinking कि half an hour only done. The first you will watch this qualitative analysis. This topic is qualitative analysis only, not quantitative. ठीक है? चलिए, now next video I will upload quantitative analysis. I don't want to exceed this video too much high, you will get bored. First reaction type, quantitative we will have to do calculation. So I will do quantitative in the next video. Bye. Have a nice day. Any doubt you can ask, but over here this is all about to learn. No doubt, but you have to know that what is going on. Okay? Bye.